ഹാപ്പി വിഷു ടു ഓൾ. ശ്രീമന്നാരായണീയം രണ്ടാമത്തെ ശ്ലോകത്തിൻ്റെ ലാസ്റ്റിലെ ഒരു നോട്ട് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നു. ദ ലിവിങ് പ്രസൻസ് ഓഫ് ദ ലോർഡ് ബീയിങ് ആക്സസിബിൾ ടു ഓൾ ഇൻ ദ ടെമ്പിൾ ഓഫ് ഗുരുവായൂർ. By worshipping which people can easily get liberation from the bondage of samsara. The poet regrets that people ignore this and pursue worldly objects with the hope of getting happiness. They do not realize that happiness cannot come from worldly objects and that worship of the Lord alone and total surrender to Him can bring unlimited and everlasting bliss. The Lord Himself manifests in the form of the universe. Sri Bhagavata, 1st Canto, 5th chapter, 20th text. This universe is no other than the Lord. Now coming to slogan number 3. Sattvam yettat parabhyam aparikalanato nirmalam tena tavat bhutair bhutendriyaiste vapuriti bahushaha shruyate vyasa vakyam tat swachatvadyadachadida parasugachidgarbha निर्भासरूपं तस्मिन् धन्यारमन्ते श्रुतिमतिमधुरे सुग्रहे विग्रहेते. Meaning of Parabhyam, with the other two, that is Rajas and Tamas, Aparikalanataha, not being mixed, Nirmalam, from free from taint, Tad Yed Sattvam, that pure Sattva, Tena Tavad Bhutaihi, which have come from Sattva, Bhutendriyaihi, by the subtle elements and the organs of sense and action. Te vabuhu, thy form is constituted. Iti Vyasa Vakyam, these words of Vyasa. Bahushaha, repeatedly. Shruyate, are heard. Swachatvad, because of its purity. Tad, that form. Yad, which. Achadida parasuka chidgarbha nirbhasa rupam, is supremely resplendent because of the presence within it of unobstructed supreme bliss and consciousness, that is the supreme Brahman. Tasmin, in that. Shruti mati madhure, which is delightful to the ears and the mind. Sugrahe, which can be easily grasped. Te vigrahe, in thy image, that is Leela Vigraha. Dhanyaha, those who have good deeds to their credit or punya, ramante, is revel. Full meaning of the third slokam, sage Vyasa has said repeatedly that thy form is constituted of the 5 subtle elements which have come from pure sattva untainted by rajas and tamas and by organs made of them. In that image of thine, which is supremely resplendent, because being absolutely pure, that is made of pure sattva, the supreme bliss and consciousness, supreme Brahman, within shines out unobstructed, which is delightful to hear about and to contemplate, and which, being present in a concrete form, is easy to grasp those fortunate ones who have to their credit a store of good deeds performed in past lives revel.